In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone MT4. MetaTrader 4, often called MT4, is the platform where you place trades, study charts, and manage your trading account. With Pepperstone, you use MT4 through your broker login. So think of Pepperstone as the connection that lets MT4 talk to the markets. Let's get you set up. First, download MT4 from your Pepperstone client area. Choose the version that suits you, desktop, mobile, or web, so you can trade on the device you prefer. Install the app. It only takes a couple of minutes. When you open MT4 for the first time, log in by going to File and selecting Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number and password, then pick the correct server. This part is crucial. Selecting the wrong server is one of the most common reasons for login errors. If you're unsure, match the server to your account type, like Demo or Live. A quick check is the connection icon at the bottom right. Green bars mean you're connected. Now get familiar with the layout. On the left, MarketWatch shows your tradable symbols, such as EURUSD or XAUUSD. In the center, the chart window displays price movement. The navigator holds your accounts and indicators, and the terminal at the bottom shows active trades, profit, and account history. Knowing these four areas speeds up everything you do in MT4. You can drag a symbol from MarketWatch onto a chart to switch instruments and right-click MarketWatch to show all available pairs. When you're ready to place a trade, choose a pair and press F9 or click New Order. Set your lot size based on your risk, then add a stop loss and a take profit so your risk and targets are defined before you click anything. If you expect price to rise, click Buy. If you expect it to fall, click Sell. Your position appears instantly in the terminal, where you can monitor price, profit, and exposure. To manage an open trade, close it by clicking the small X next to the position, or right-click and choose Close Order. To adjust protection levels, right-click the trade, select Modify, and change your stop loss or take profit. Keeping these updated helps lock in gains and cap downside. For chart analysis, go to Insert and Indicators. Popular choices include Moving Average for Trend, RSI for Momentum, and MACD for Convergence and Divergence. MT4 comes with many built-in tools, and you can add custom indicators if you need more advanced signals. Finally, start on a demo account. Pepperstone provides demos so you can practice with virtual funds, learn the workflow, and build confidence before trading live.